Good morning, students of class 5. Students, I'm sure all of you are happy and healthy. Students, all of you, please take out your English grammar book as I'm going to continue with Unit 13, Degrees of Comparison. So students, please take out your English grammar book and turn to page number 59. Students, please take out your English grammar book and turn to page number 59, Unit 13, Degrees of Comparison. Students, in my last video, I had explained and completed exercise 2nd of Degrees of Comparison. And students, today I'm going to explain about similes. Now students, what do you mean by similes? You must have heard certain similes as green, as grass. This is a simile. Fine. And you can see that we have used the positive degree of adjective in the simile. Now students, all of us are aware that we use adjectives to describe people and things. हम adjective क्यों use करते हैं बेटा? To describe people and things. And we can also compare things and people by using simile. अभी तक तो हमने 3 degrees पढ़ी. Positive degree we use to describe people and things. Fine. Comparative degree we use when we want to compare any two persons or two objects. Then we use the superlative degree when there is a comparison in more than two persons or things. Now today we are going to learn about similes. बेटा simile में किसी दो चीजों को कंपेयर किया जाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, as green as grass. कि कितना ग्रीन? उतना ग्रीन जितना ग्रास. ग्रास इज ग्रीन. ग्रास का कलर क्या है बेटा? ग्रास इज ग्रीन. तो इफ वी कोई भी चीज को अगर हम ग्रास से कंपेयर कर रहे, वी वांट टू शो दी ग्रीन कलर, तो हम कौन सी सिंबली यूज करेंगे? as grass is green. And remember children, we always use the positive degree in the similes. We can also compare things and people by using similes. We use positive degree of adjective with similes. बेटा जब भी हम simile में जो भी degree लगाएंगे हमेशा. So remember, we always use the positive degree of adjective with the simile. Let's take another example. Example 1. He is as busy as a bee. Fine. Here, students, the positive degree of adjective is busy. And we are comparing a person to whom? To a bee. We know that bee is always busy. Bee is always busy collecting the nectar, sucking the nectar and making honey. Always on work. So, if a person is extremely busy, so we compare him with a bee. And for that, we use the simile, he is as busy as a bee. Got it? And always remember that in simile, student, we always use the positive degree of adjective. Then, the second example is, she is as beautiful as a rose. Now, here the degree of adjective is beautiful. That is the positive degree of adjective, students. And we are comparing a person to a rose. We are comparing a female to a rose कि the lady is as beautiful, the lady, girl, whoever, कि वो कितनी beautiful है. Rose is a beautiful flower, and all of us have seen the beauty of rose, isn't it? So we are comparing a female's beauty to that of a rose. तो बेटा यहाँ भी हम किसी की ब्यूटी किससे कंपेयर कर रहे हैं? रोज से. एंड जो भी सिमिलीज होता है बेटा वो पॉजिटिव डिग्री के बिफोर भी एज आता है उसमें और बाद में भी एज आता है. एज आई हैव ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन कि पॉजिटिव डिग्री के पहले हमेशा ए एन वेरी एंड बिफोर एंड आफ्टर एस आएगा. दैट इंडिकेट्स दैट यू हैव टू यूज द पॉजिटिव डिग्री. फाइन स्टूडेंट्स. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, if all of you turn to page number 59 and look at the blue box, and there are certain similes which I'll explain. There are similes given which now I'm going to explain. The first simile, student, as big as an elephant. Now, the simile given here is as big as an elephant. Over here, the degree, the positive degree of adjective is big. Fine. Now here, we use this simile when we want to compare a thing with an elephant. All of us know that elephant is the biggest land animal. और बेटा कोई बहुत बड़ा हो जिसकी साइज को हमको एलिफेंट से कंपेयर करना हो तो विद सिमिली वी विल यूज as big as an elephant. So you should learn these similes, and if you use these similes in your writing section in all students, this will make your language decorative. So similes have got their own beauty and they help in making the language decorative, students. So as big as an elephant is a simile. You can use this when you want to compare something big to that of an elephant. Fine. So the first simile is as big as an elephant. Then the second one is as blind as a bat. So this again is another simile, student, given in the blue box. Here we are comparing something which cannot see, है ना? It can be a person or an animal. और बेटा किससे कंपेयर कर रहे हैं हम? बैट से. ऑल ऑफ अस आर अवेयर दैट बैट्स कैन नॉट सी इन द डे टाइम, एंड एट टाइम्स आपको किसी को अगर का मतलब ऐसे ब्लाइंड से कंपेयर करना है तो आप सिमिली क्या यूज करोगे? एज ब्लाइंड एज अ बैट. और इसमें बेटा द पॉजिटिव डिग्री ऑफ एडजेक्टिव इज ब्लाइंड. फाइन. सो एज ब्लाइंड एज अ बैट. Now, the third one is as clear as crystal. Now, students, what do you mean by crystal? Crystal बेटा कुछ ग्लास जैसा होता है but of superior quality. And crystal इतना क्लियर होता है that आप उसके एकदम आर पार देख सकते हैं. सो एट टाइम्स कभी वाटर, आप किसी वाटर बॉडीज पे गए, वहां का आपको वाटर बहुत क्लीन एंड क्लियर मिला, देन यू कैन से द वाटर इज एज क्लियर एज क्रिस्टल. एंड यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव डिग्री ऑफ एडजेक्टिव क्या है बेटा? क्लियर. फाइन. सो क्रिस्टल कोई एक ऐसी चीज जो एकदम पारदर्शी हो बेटा, जिसको हम ट्रांसपेरेंट आर पार देख सकते हैं, तो हम उसको किससे कंपेयर करेंगे? क्रिस्टल से. फाइन. आपने जो शैंडलियर्स वगैरह देखे, दे आर मेड ऑफ क्रिस्टल. and when you put the bulb and you switch on the lights, they shine and they reflect just because they are transparent, students. Now, the fourth simile is as cunning as a fox. All of us know that fox is a cunning animal, and if you want to compare the cunningness of a person, so you can always use the simile as cunning as a fox. Here the positive degree of adjective is cunning, students. तो अगर आपको लगे कि कोई बहुत कनिंग है, आपने कुछ पढ़ा, आपको कुछ राइटअप लिखना है, then you can use these similes to make your language decorative. So you can write as cunning as a fox. Now, the fifth one. As delicate as a flower. All of us know that flowers are very delicate. We have to handle them with lot of care. If we don't take care of them, they will wither, isn't it? Or they may break apart. So, अगर आपको किसी कोई चीज बहुत डेलिकेट है तो आप उसको किससे कंपेयर कर सकते हैं बेटा? फ्लावर से. As delicate as a flower. तो यहाँ पे जो positive degree of adjective है, that is delicate. Then the next simile is as fresh as a daisy. बेटा डेजी एक फ्लावर है, and डेजी जो फ्लावर है जब वो ब्लूम करता है तो इट लुक्स वेरी फ्रेश, बहुत फ्रेश दिखता है. सो स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ पे अगर कोई भी किसी भी चीज की फ्रेशनेस को हमको डेजी से कंपेयर करना है तो हम क्या सिंबल यूज करेंगे? एज फ्रेश एज अ फ्लावर. तो हियर the positive degree of comparison is fresh. So as fresh as a daisy. Then the next one, student, is then students, the next simile is as easy as A, B, C. Now ABC here means the alphabets, and something if you find very easy, you can always compare it to the alphabets ABC. कोई चीज बहुत easy लगे तो आप कौन सी सिंबली यूज कर सकते हो? As easy as A, B, C. Here the positive degree of comparison is easy. Then the next one is as white as milk. Suppose something is very white, students, then you can always compare it with milk. So here the positive degree of comparison is white as milk. So I hope, students, that these 8 similes will help you. You will definitely use them in your writing sections. Then students, the 9th one is as alike as 2 peas in a pod. Now here, beta, 2 peas in a pod. Now what do you mean by 2 peas in a pod? बेटा पीस जानते हो ना, मटर के दाने, और पॉड किसको बोलते हैं? जो मटर की फली. Now if you open the pod of the pea, आप देखते हो the shape, size of the peas are exactly the same, एकदम एक जैसे लगते हैं, है ना? If you happen to mix them, you won't be able to identify कि क्या इनमें डिफरेंस है. So अगर आपको कोई भी दो जो एकदम एक जैसी चीजें which are exactly the same उनको कंपेयर करना है तो आप बोल सकते हो as alike as two peas in a pod. pod मतलब बेटा मटर की जो फली आती है उसको पीस की फली को पॉड बोलते हैं. एंड व्हेन यू ओपन दी पॉड आप देखते हो कि जो पीस है वो एकदम दे आर अलाइक. सो as alike as two peas in a pod. Then the 10th one. As black as coal. जैसे इससे पहले आपने 8th वाला पढ़ा था as white as milk कि कोई इतना white जैसे कि मिल्क है. सेम वे 10 similes as black as coal कि कोई चीज इतनी black जैसे कि कोल. कोल आई होप एवरीवन इज अवेयर. कोयले को क्या बोलते हैं बेटा? कोल. देन द नेक्स्ट 11th one is as brave as a lion. Now, all of us are aware that lion is known as the king of the jungle, and a lion alone can confront many animals. So, if somebody is brave, you can always compare with a lion. You can use the simile as brave as a lion. Here, brave is the positive degree of comparison. Then the 12th one, as busy as a bee. बेटा बी हमेशा बिजी रहती है, ऑलवेज बिजी फ्लाइंग, collecting the nectar and then making honey. So if somebody is very busy, we can always compare him or her with a bee. So as busy as a bee. Here the positive degree of comparison is busy. Then the 13th one student is as cold as ice. If something happens to be very cold, you can always compare that thing with ice. Fine. So, here the positive degree of comparison is cold. So, as cold as ice. This is the 13th simile. Then, the 14th one is as cool as cucumber. बेटा कुकम्बर सब जानते हैं ना, खीरे को, जो खीरा होता है उसको बोलते हैं. And especially in summer season we eat lot of cucumber to keep ourselves cool, isn't it? At times when you feel that your eyes are also very tired, you slice the cucumber and put these slices on your eyes. You close your eyes and put these slices because it gives that soothing, cool effect to your eyes. So cucumber is known for its cooling effects. Fine. बहुत गर्मी होती तो आपने देखा है सारे लोग खीरा खाते हैं, है ना, सैलेड में. You also bring cucumber in tiffin in summer season. Why? Because it has got lot of water content which cools your body. So cucumber is known for its cooling. So if you want to compare something which is cool, you can say that as cool as cucumber. Then the 15th one student is as cute as a baby. If you find somebody very cute, babies are always very cute, isn't it? So you can always use the simile as cute as a baby. Here the positive degree of comparison is cute. अगर आपको कोई बहुत cute लग रहा है तो आप उसको किससे compare कर सकते हैं बेटा? As cute as a baby. Then the 16th simile is as gentle as a lamb. Students, lamb is known to be a very gentle animal, does not harm anyone. So, if somebody is very gentle, you can always compare to a lamb. So, as gentle as a lamb. Here, gentle is the positive degree of comparison. So students, these are the 16 similes which are given in your book and you should learn them so that you can use them. और आपको ये भी पता होना चाहिए कि कौन सा चीज के लिए कौन सी डिग्री पॉजिटिव डिग्री ऑफ कंपैरिजन है. बिग फॉर एलिफेंट, बिग इज द पॉजिटिव डिग्री ऑफ कंपैरिजन. द सिमिली फर्स्ट सिमिली इज एज बिग एज एन एलिफेंट. अगर आपको बेटा कोई बहुत बड़ा साइज का हो और आपको उसको एलिफेंट से कंपेयर करना है तो आप फर्स्ट सिमिली यूज कर सकते हैं एज बिग एज एन एलिफेंट. द सेकेंड वन इज as blind as a bat. At times ऐसा कुछ होता है कि you get irritated and you tell that you are as blind as a bat. So because bat is unable to see in the daytime, and here the positive degree of comparison is blind. And these similes, they help you to make your language students decorated. Then the third one is as clear as crystal. Crystal is very transparent, it shines. So if you especially आप वाटर जो है उसका कंपैरिजन आप इस कभी वाटर बॉडीज में इफ यू फाइंड दैट क्लियर वाटर तो आप बोल सकते थे वाटर इज एज क्लियर एज क्रिस्टल. दैट आप उसके आर पार देख सकते हो, इतना साफ पानी है. सो ओवर हियर क्लियर इज द पॉजिटिव डिग्री ऑफ कंपैरिजन. देन द फोर्थ वन इज as cunning as a fox. अगर कोई बहुत कनिंग है तो उसको आप फॉक्स से कंपेयर कर सकते हो बिकॉज फॉक्स हैपेंस टू बी द मोस्ट कनिंग एनिमल्स, है ना. वी हैव ऑलवेज रेड इन द स्टोरीज दैट फॉक्स इज अ कनिंग एनिमल. सो if you want to compare the cunningness of some person, you can always use the simile as cunning as a fox. And over here, the positive degree of comparison is cunning. Then the fifth one is as delicate as a flower. और बेटा कोई भी पर्सन कोई किसी भी चीज को जो बहुत आपको लगता है डेलिकेट है, तो आप किससे कंपेयर कर सकते हो? फ्लावर से. क्योंकि इफ यू डू नॉट हैंडल द फ्लावर विथ केयर वो जल्दी से टूट सकता है या मुरझा सकता है. सो as delicate as a flower. Here the positive degree of comparison is delicate. Then the sixth one, as fresh as daisy. बेटा कोई चीज बहुत फ्रेश लगे तो आप डेजी जो एक फ्लावर है जब वो ब्लूम करता है तो बहुत ही फ्रेश फील होता है, देख के भी उसको मन एकदम फ्रेश हो जाता है. इट लुक्स सो फ्रेश. तो किसी भी चीज की फ्रेशनेस को आप किससे कंपेयर कर सकते हो? विद द फ्लावर डेजी. ओवर हियर द पॉजिटिव डिग्री ऑफ कंपैरिजन इज fresh. Then the seventh one is as easy as ABC. सबको अल्फाबेट्स ABCD everyone knows, है ना, and बहुत easy लगता है. तो अगर आप कोई कुछ भी कर रहे हो and you find that thing very easy, तो what with simply you can use as easy as ABC. Over here the positive degree of comparison is easy. Then the eighth one is as white as milk. अगर बेटा कोई चीज बहुत white है तो आप उसको किससे कंपेयर कर सकते हो? मिल्क से. So as white as milk, and over here white is the positive degree of comparison. Then the ninth one, as alike as two peas in a pod. Over here the positive degree of comparison is alike. कि कितना alike है? इतना alike कि आप मटर का जो छिलका खोलो तो उसमें जो दो मटर के दाने हैं वो एकदम एक जैसे हैं. तो यह alike is the positive degree of comparison. Then the 10th one, as black as coal. कितना black? अगर कोई चीज बहुत black है तो आप क्या किससे कंपेयर कर सकते हो उसको? कोल से. कोल आई होप एवरीवन नोस, कोयले को हम कोल बोलते हैं. तो as black as coal. Then the 11th one is as brave as a lion. कोई अगर बहुत ब्रेव है तो आप उसकी जो ब्रेवनेस है उसको किससे कंपैरिजन कर सकते हो? टू दैट ऑफ अ लायन. So as brave as a lion. Over here students, brave is the positive degree of comparison. Then the 12th one, as busy as a bee. If somebody is very busy, so you can compare to that of a bee. So as busy as a bee, in this busy is the positive degree of comparison. Then 13th one, as cold as ice. कितना cold? जैसे कि ice. If something is very cold, you can compare to that of an ice cube. So over here, cold is the positive degree of comparison. Then The 14th one is as cool as cucumber. If somebody is very cool or something is very cool, you can always compare the coolness with that of a cucumber. So beta cool is the positive degree of comparison. 15th is as cute as a baby. और यहाँ पे the positive degree of comparison is cute. If somebody is very cute, you can always compare the thing or the person to that cuteness of a baby, because all babies are cute. Then the 16th one is as gentle as a lamb. Over here, gentle is the positive degree of comparison, and beta lamb happens to be the most gentle animal. So कितना gentle है, जैसे कि lamb doesn't harm anyone. So students, जितने भी similes होते हैं सब में positive degree of comparison use होता है, and remember उनके पहले भी as आता है and बाद में भी. यहाँ आप देख लो जितने भी positive degree of comparison है सबके before and after बेटा as है, और जहां भी before and after as होगा वो सब क्या होंगे, similes होंगे. Am I clear students? Now our next exercise is based on similes only. So remember, positive degree of comparison के if before में ऐसे और बाद में ऐसे, तो they are all similes. Fine? Okay. Now students, we are going to do the third exercise, which is based on similes only. And students, please learn these similes. If you learn these similes and if you use this in your writing sections, this will make your language decorative. So you need to learn these similes, children. Now, exercise 3. Exercise 3 is complete the similes. बेटा जो similes हमने अभी पढ़ी उन्हीं से हमको ये complete करना है. Now the first one is as easy as dash. Now, what did we read in the blue box, students? Just before this, page अभी 59 में हमने क्या पढ़ा? As easy as ABC. Something which is as easy as ABC. So please write ABC in the first blank. As easy as ABC. So if you learn these similes, then only you will be able to do this exercise. Then the second one is, sorry, the A is small because we will be using this in the sentence. So please do not write this A of as capital. Fine. Then as dash as milk. अब बेटा कौन सा पॉजिटिव डिग्री ऑफ कंपैरिजन आएगा? किस वर्ड को मिल्क से कंपेयर किया गया है? कितना? व्हाइट. मिल्क का कलर इज व्हाइट, सो वी नीड टू राइट व्हाइट इन द सेकेंड लाइन. प्लीज राइट व्हाइट इन द सेकेंड लाइन. as white as milk. Then the third one, as cold as dash. Now don't get confused. दो थे, as cold as and as cool as. As cold as, as cold as what? Ice. And as cool as cucumber. So don't get confused between cold and cool. So as cold as ice. So please write ice in the third blank. Then the fourth one, as dash as lamb. Beta, lamb is known for, how do you describe a lamb? Gentle. Lamb is known for its gentle nature. So, as gentle as lamb. So please write gentle in the fourth blank. Then the fifth one. As brave as a dash. Now, kitna brave? As brave as the lion. Lion supposed to be the lion is supposed to be the most brave animal and the king of the jungle, children. So students, as brave as a lion. The fifth blank is as brave as a lion. So these are the first 5 blanks. Now we'll be doing the sixth one. The sixth one is as dash as honey. All of you have tasted honey and the taste of honey is sweet. So we will write the positive degree sweet. Beta, honey sweet hota hai. So we are going to write sweet in the sixth blank. As sweet as honey. As sweet as honey. Then the seventh one. As fresh as dash. As fresh as daisy. Daisy flower बहुत fresh होते हैं when they bloom. So as fresh as daisy. Then the eighth one is as alike as to dash in a pot. तो बेटा as alike as to peas. To peas in a pot. P-E-A-S, peas मतलब मटर. Then the ninth one. As dash as a bee. So as busy as a bee. Then the 10th one. As cunning as a, which animal is considered to be the most cunning? That's a fox. So as cunning as a fox. So now let's revise these, students. The first one is as easy as ABC. Second, as white as milk. Third, as cold as ice. Fourth, as gentle as lamb. Fifth, as brave as a lion. Sixth, as sweet as honey. Seventh, as fresh as daisy. Eighth, as alike as two peas in a pot. Ninth, as busy as a bee. And 10th, as cunning as a fox. So students, please learn these similes so that you can use them. And then students, always remember that जितनी भी similes है उनमें कौन सी degree of comparison आती है? Positive degree of comparison. Fine? क्योंकि हम किसी एक चीज को दूसरे चीज के equal समझते हैं, उसको उससे compare करते हैं. Got it? We describe. यहाँ पे कोई एक ज्यादा एक कम नहीं है, दोनों को इक्वल समझा जा रहा है, इसलिए कंपेयर किया जा रहा है. So that's all for today, students. Please do learn these 16 similes, students. Thank you, students. Have a good day ahead.